Determine an exponential function that passes through 0, 7, and 4, 112. So let's assume that we're going to use a function of the form f of x is equal to c times a to the x. If it passes through 0, 7, that means when x is 0, the output is 7. So then 7 would equal c times a to the 0. Well, a to the 0 is 1, and so c equals 7. So now we have f of x is equal to 7 times a to the x. And we'll use the other ordered pair to figure out the value of a. 112 would equal 7 times a to the fourth power. 112 divided by 7 is 16. So we have 16 is equal to a to the fourth. And so notice that 2 to the fourth is 16, so a equals 2. And so then our function f of x is 7 times 2 to the x. All right, another example, now through 348 and 715. Again, let's assume that we're using a function of the form f of x is equal to c times a to the x. Now, we don't have a nice ordered pair here. We don't have a 0 something where we could immediately get the value for c. So we're going to use a system of equations in this case. I like to use the second ordered pair first. So I'd have 15 equals c times a to the 7th. And I also have 48 is equal to c times a to the 3rd. Now what we will do is divide each factor. So that tells me 15 divided by 48, let's see, 15 over 48 is 0.3125, is equal to, now c divided by c is 1, and a to the 7th divided by a to the 3rd is a to the 4th. So 0.3125 is equal to a to the 4th. Now this one I can't do in my head, so a would be equal to the 4th root of 0.3125. All right, and so our 4th root is under the math menu. Type the 4 first. 4 math root 5th option, 0.3125. So a is approximately 0.748. Now, let's take that and substitute into either of the given equations. So let's use the 15 equals c a to the 7th. So 15 is equal to c times 0.748 to the 7th, which means that c would equal 15 divided by 0.748 to the 7th. Let's calculate that. And so that's approximately 114.5. Let's be consistent, so let's say 0.493. I rounded the a value to 3 decimal places. I'll round the c value to 3 decimal places. And so then our function, our f of x, is approximately equal to 114.493 times 0.748 to the x.